Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marie. This is DoingMarie, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize my hair, and this been the same method as to when I was completely natural. Then again, my hair is slightly Texlaxed. My dog is here, is always here with me because otherwise it's gonna be just naughty outside if he's outside, or nobody's downstairs, so he's always with me, and whenever I put the camera on, so he's gonna be like, he wants to be right here on the picture, so that's why you will hear him, so I'll just put him here. So sorry about that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize my hair. I believe I've always been good in maintaining length, maintaining length, moisturizing my hair. I've always knew, or if you always knew, I love moisturizing it, so probably that's why. When I was natural though, my hair used to keep moisture like for a very long time. I've only been Texlaxed for a few days. As I said, it's slightly Texlaxed, and the reason why it's a little bit straight like this is because I've been I had a slick down bun, so it's been quietly stretched, so that's why it's a little bit like this. But I will show you guys how I moisturize my hair. So now my hair doesn't keep that long moisture as before, which I like, because before my hair could be wet for days, even though if it's open on the air or just in the house, it could be wet for days. And now I'm happy that it is not like that in a way, even though I know it's better if your hair keeps moisture. But sometimes it's so annoying that your hair has been on the air for like the whole day and it's still wet even when you're going to bed and the next morning. So I just have a slight knot here. Okay. When I was natural, I loved moisturizing with this one. This is the Cantu coconut curling cream. It costs €9.99. I have used it. I usually only use a little tiny bit, as you can see, but when I'm not slightly Texlaxed, I don't use it that much, or if I do, I dilute it slightly with a conditioner. It's like I have it here. I have here a slight of this one with a conditioner and some oil, because I like it now a little bit more runnier than as it is here, but my hair loves this one. So, and I got here whipped shea butter, whipped African shea butter, straight from Africa. My sister went to Senegal. I'm originally from Senegal. My sister went to Senegal and brought me some of the shea butter, and I whipped it. She just came back actually. She loved it there. So this is my moisturizer I just explained, and the conditioner is a natural conditioner, no silicone, and yeah, all the good stuff. I think it's from also from Cantu. And in here I got water, and half water and half hibiscus tea. I think that's what it's called, hibiscus. Yes, we call it bisap. So that is also what my sister brought, so I just made like tea and then put half here, and the other half is in the fridge. So yeah, let's moisturize hair. Let's do hair. So the only thing I don't like about this spray bottle is sprays like miles away from my hair, so about that is fine. I also sometimes now I am sealing with shea butter, but I also seal with, most of the time, it depends, you know, what I grab first, but I love sealing also with a mixture of what is it called, of olive oil and rapeseed oil. That's the word. raw cold pressed rapeseed oil. And now I'm gonna use some of this, just about that. Bring it to my ends. Like I said, my roots are very thick, so I'm always trying to I've seen somebody doing this. I've never done that before, so I'm gonna try this one. As I said, I'm not a pro, so I'm here on my window. It's nice and bright here, so I like the bright lights. I've never ever done my hair like this. I saw it yesterday and I was like, oh, that's cute. I'm gonna try it too. So here I am. Anyway, so can you see the struggle with the edges? Can you see this? Like, ain't nothing here. Can you see? Like, do you understand the struggle? Yeah. I'm gonna spray. Work it in. Add my mixture moisturizer that is runny. Adding my whipped shea butter. Now I'm just gonna twist it around. It's the very first time I've ever done this. You know, I watched sometime, I'm not sure who I have seen it, but I'm just browsing around, looking at, you know, people that have a healthy Texlaxed hair, and I've seen somebody was doing this. I really can't remember who it was. Okay, I don't think this one is done well. So twist this. So basically you just have to twist your hair, turn and twist. I hope that it is clear what I'm doing. Can you see? It's where my hair stops, right here. That's where it stops. So I turn first, twist, turn with the hair, or twist. It's not even twist, just turn, and then just roll it around. I'm not telling you how to do it, I'm showing you how I do it. Now we're getting to the section of my hair where it's actually really thick. I have this spot right here, don't mind that. So that is how my hair is. How it is. Okay, let's do this. And why I added the hibiscus in the water, because I believe it has lots of benefits, and you can Google that. You know, it has lots of benefits. I read lots of benefits about hibiscus and I'm like, oh my god, you know, back in Africa, in Senegal, we drink this on a daily basis, and we didn't even know it's good for your hair, so why not? It doesn't cost anything there. Why not? I know the elderly use it there a lot for like health benefits, really. Not for hair, but mainly for like, you know, drinking without sugar. Sometimes with sugar. If you're drinking for pleasure, you drink it with sugar. If you're drinking it for health purposes, then you drink it without sugar. So yeah. That is how it is. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna twist it like that. Probably see this, and then twist it around. So I will do that with the rest of my hair, and I will show you when it's done and dry and all that. So see you later.